guys, Jasper here. Today I'm going to teach you how to modify your desktop using this application so-called engine Wallpaper. So as you can see here, I do have a dull wallpaper here. I want to upgrade or modify this by doing installing this application. It will make my desktop cool, so here we go. First things first, I need to install this application. I can provide the link where I did purchase this application on my description below. So the installation is really straightforward. All you need to do after you purchase this application, they will provide the file for you, so you can actually save this file to your local machine. Then from there you can install it. So again, the installation for this is really straightforward. You just follow this procedure. So this just go to normal, medium. You can actually adjust based on your preference, but in this tutorial I'll just make it medium. Then you can actually hit next on this portion as well. You can decide when you want to start the application when you try to boot this computer. So you do have this option later on as well. So from here it will automatically detect which monitor I have on my computer. So basically here I'm using an external screen. At the same time I do have my main screen here. So basically you can apply those wallpaper later on. For now, just configure this to my main screen. There you go. So as you can see, the wallpaper now it's actually moving, which is super cool. So a part of purchasing this application, I actually purchased also add-ons on it. So here I do have a lot of extra wallpaper. Then I can actually easily change using this application as well. Just open it and open file. Then you can actually browse your wallpaper. So yeah, it's really easy and straightforward to reload this wallpaper. As you can see, I just opened the application itself and just load the wallpaper. Then here I will try to do with my extended screen as well. So let me use my handphone for this, so you guys can see what is the outcome. Open new wallpaper here. Let me try to find which wallpaper is good. Alright, that's it. So let me try to load on different wallpaper. Just choose here. Alright, let me try this. Alright, so there you go. This is actually the output of my second screen. So yeah, it's actually both wallpapers moving here, which is super nice. And let me try to load this wallpaper to my third screen, which is our TV here at home, and let's see the outcome. Here I just plug in my TV at home. Let me just try to select this and load a wallpaper here. So once it's done, let me use my phone, then I'll show you the outcome for this. There you go. So yeah, all three monitors now are moving and it's looks cool. So hope this guys help you to modify your screen as well or your gaming computer to have a cool wallpaper. So thanks for watching and God bless.